Hi friends, hope you all are safe and doing well. Today I am here with a baby scrapbook album tutorial. Many have been requesting for this tutorial, so I finally decided to make one. Since making a scrapbook album is a very lengthy process, I have divided this tutorial in a series of 4 videos. That way it will be easier for you to watch and you can always jump to any specific topic video. So take a look at the video list before we begin with the walkthrough. The links to all the videos in this series are listed in the description box below. So let's begin with the walkthrough in this video.